What is up guys, it's Daniel back here with another video. In this video I'm going to speak about making money online, and probably one of the most popular ways people are making money online right now that you might not see or realize. So before we get into this video, make sure you subscribe to this channel, like this video, and any kind of comments or questions you have about this, let me know. I'll try my best to answer them for you. So the big secret, and something you may have realized or maybe you've not realized, is a subscription service. Creating a subscription service for either your subscribers, followers, or potential clients to subscribe to. Now, people think you need to have thousands and thousands and millions of people to subscribe to your service to generate a good amount of income. That's not true. Let's say you had a goal of generating £5,000 a month. All you need to do is create a service or some sort of subscription service or some sort of subscription-based products and charge people £2. You don't need 2,500 people to then sign up to that to start generating that kind of money. So let's say you had a YouTube channel. This is the best way to do it, and this is the way I would highly recommend doing it. Create a YouTube channel on whatever it is your hobby is. So let's say you enjoy talking about bikes, or you enjoy talking about Apple Finance, or whatever it is, house moving, couches, I don't know, anything you have an interest in, other people will. Create a YouTube channel for that. Once you've created that channel, what you're then going to do is charge people a $1.99 a month subscription fee to support your channel. Get some sort of pros from doing that. Like for example, if you sign up to become a patron on YouTube, they get like little logos next to their name, and maybe they get extra information or early access to videos or behind scene videos or extra content, you know, some sort of benefit from websites, discounts, whatever it is. You create a subscription service for that. Don't charge a stupid amount of money, because if you're charging $1.99 a month, people aren't even going to bat an eyelid at paying $1.99 a month for this subscription service. So they sign up to you, they might be signed up for you for the next 10 years, because $1.99 a month to some people is literally nothing. It's pence really. So you know, that is probably the best way. So if you want to start generating money online, find a way to charge people a monthly fee, a monthly subscription. As I said, my personal way of going around that would be to create a YouTube channel, start getting paid from the YouTube ads, and then also have a subscription-based service, or maybe just like a supporter channel. So like they pay you 99p a month to support your channel, just to help you keep creating the content that you create. And let's say you have, again, 5,000 people subscribe to your channel, 5,000 people and then subscribing to this subscription fee at 99p a month. You're now generating £5 a month online with literally no effort. All you do is keep creating content for that really small niche of people. So give it a go. Let me know if that works for you. I'm personally giving this one a go on myself as well. I want to create some sort of subscription service that will, though, help benefit other people, along with actually making the amount myself. I want to be doing some sort of giveaways with my subscription service and stuff like that to really help support you guys and generating money online. It's been your boy Daniel. Hope this video helps. Subscribe to my channel, like this video. Any kind of questions you have, let me know. Peace.